On today's episode of Warehouse Safety Tips, we're going to be covering week 2 of 5 for electrical safety awareness. So stay tuned. Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast. On this week of electrical safety awareness, we're going to be talking about qualified and unqualified personnel, and here are 5 tips that are going to help you determine it. Number 1, you want to know where you stand. You don't want to guess when electricity is involved. It's never a good idea. Make sure that if you're using anything in a facility, you're trained to do so. Number 2, hands off the panel. You want to make sure that you are a qualified partner that's listed on a roster, or that you're following an energy control procedure anytime you touch anything in a facility. Number 3, you want to make sure that you go through and post and report damage. So that is going to be finding things that are out there that are going wrong. You want to make sure that you're always following procedure. You want to be able to go out there and proactively find things and replace them before they're an issue. Don't have a electrical tape around a cord. Tag it and then replace it, and do not try to proceed until another one has been put in its place that is working. Number 4, you want to go through and make sure that you respect approach boundaries. Our partner Mighty Line is great for this. They've got great ways to mark off where it's safe to be and where it's safe not to be. Make sure that your facility is doing the same thing in the form of either floor marking and signs to just make sure that people know exactly where they can be, especially visiting people or temps. And last but certainly not least, you want to make sure that you refresh skills and procedures at all times. Make sure that you always do your further education and continued education, and that you're going through and making sure that things are as honed as much as possible to make sure that everyone comes to work and leaves work safely. That is what we're always striving to achieve. So these are not the end all be all by any means, but they are going to be a great way to get you started to safety. And until we talk next time, thank you very much for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Go out there, have a great day, stay safe, and here is a word from one of our sponsors.
It's scientifically unexplainable. It's virtually indestructible. And it's taking over the entire planet. But in a really good way. It's Mighty Line floor tape, the most durable floor tape in the world. 7 times thicker than average floor tape. Beveled to endure pounding warehouse traffic. And backed with a super strong peel and stick adhesive, so you'll never have to worry about painting shop floors again. Mighty Line floor tape, the only durable stripe.